Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add two favorites on Photoroom. So first, you tap on my content on the bottom right corner, and then you tap on your, so for example, which one you want. So for example, this one, tap and then tap on the person and then tap on the star there. So now it's added two favorites. So that is one way of doing it. You could also tap on the three dots there to add a creation to your favorites. So tap there and tap add two favorites. But this one is for pros, so make sure that you have a subscription on this app. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful and thank you for watching.